Hi guys! We're going to the Spray Park. May mga kasama akong makukulit. Ayan ang mga makukulit. Excited kaming pumunta ng Spray Park. They call that park is a green park. Walking. Naglalakad lang po kami papunta ron kasi exercise din, di ba?
Mommy, where's mommy?
Ha?
Where's mommy?
Why? May bus doon. Stick? Where did you get that?
Look at me.
Ayo. Okay, oh. Ito may makulit, oh. Meron akong kasamang mga dalawang makukulit. See you later sa park. Let's go.